Yep, and it's gonna be a game changer.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together.
So everywhere is a mess, which is usually the case when you got 101 boat projects going, and Lexi's making funny gestures. Just do that again.
No. Yeah, you have to do it.
Yeah, no, you gotta do it again now.
Lexi.
Darling arrived today. This is gonna be a game changer. So let's see what's in the box. Pass me a sharp knife. Plastic moulding, aluminium
Looks like we bought into a chair.
base that you can screw down, another bit of plastic, the actual antenna, some instructions. There's lots. There's a little white light on. So I've got this control wire in for this new beautiful spinnaker pole holder. So this is made by Jim. He's awesome. So I got to loosen it up so that we can put the control wires in, and then we can hoist the spinnaker back up. On our furling mast, when we were pulling it in and out, there's a control right here, and what I was finding was it was jumping because this angle was too sharp with the block being up here. So what I've done is I've made out of Dyneema an extension length, put a new block on so that this will always stay flat and this will move up and down as we wind in and unwind. So that's one of my jobs nicked off. So it's a glorious day today. One of the jobs is to try and fix the dinghy. If you remember last year when we got to No Name Harbour, we put a nice big gash in it.
Get us out of here, Steven. We're gonna hit that. We're gonna hit it. Oh no. Oh no. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We can pass it. Oh no, what happened?
We got too close and we ended up puncturing the dinghy.
It's okay, we will patch it.
And so I patched it, and the patch has been pretty good apart from this one little corner, and I think it's because the tear comes very close to it. So I'm going to try and take this off and put another patch on. I got some new material, and hopefully we can do it. So as you can see, there's the tail we put in it. It comes very close to 2 seams. So I'm going to try and clean this up now. Series set a time of 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
So we got some of this stuff. It's a 2-part with a high bond strength. It's a PVC crossover glue for inflatable boats. Basically you add a hardener and a UV protector. It's not an epoxy. So I've got to wait now 30 minutes while the glue kind of semi-dries on the boat, pump the boat up, apply the patch, push down on all the air pockets, and then deflate and push down on all the air pockets again. So we'll see how that works. Put the new patch on. Once we pushed it in all the way along the seam, and then we deflated it just to take the pressure off. And then 2 days ago we filled it back up. So what's happening?
I'm gonna fly home for at least a week, maybe 2, because Margaret's not doing very well.
Yeah, you got the first flight out of here, haven't you? You got to drive to Wilmington and then...
Yes, New Bern is the nearest airport, but they wanted $1,300 for a ticket out of there, and they couldn't get one until Wednesday. I was able to get one today out of, which is Monday, out of, I said that wrong. New Bern is the closest airport, and they wanted $1,300 on Wednesday, where I could go to Wilmington this morning and get one for half that. So off to Wilmington I go. I'll throw that in the trash. What time is it?
Time to go. Friends Stephanie and Mike are taking the trail to Wilmington.
Okay. Stop with the... You sound like you're holding your breath. What?
I'm tired. It's early in the morning. I didn't sleep well.
You literally sound like you're holding your breath when you talk and going...
Alright, whatever. And the last thing I need is storm clouds over there.
Yeah, I just saw lightning. Did you?
Yeah.